Back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Salad bar and juice bar also. Guys, that's why you guys say just enjoy this wonderful, lovely salad recipe. I'm always doing salad and juice. I want you guys to enjoy this one. And please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box. And please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things we'll be coming. So look how we're gonna make this wonderful, beautiful, simple, unique salad. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I got some right here, as you can see, I got some cherry tomato, and that's the first thing we're going to do is to cut them into half like this. Once I cut them in half, I'm gonna give you the full recipe of this amazing salad, this fantastic salad where you guys definitely will be loving it. All right, so don't get upset, and you know what I mean, please stay tuned and watch the video then, because these salad does only come like now and then, not every time I will be doing these kind of salad. So this salad recipe, if you have anything else to do, please don't move. You have to watch this video. All right guys, you have to watch this video. All right, I want to take the time out and just cut them a little bit now, nicely. You see that? Them all cut, lovely and nice. Then, don't feel any way. As I say, it's a lovely, simple recipe. I'm gonna cut some red onion. Red onion, and I have some spring onion. Celery. I love celery. Cucumber. Pepper, some dry chili, and a few black olive, not too much, just a few, because you don't want to overpower it. That is very, very nice. I don't know if you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, but that's very nice. Look at this. Now I'm gonna put some olive oil. Very nice. So this is the olive, cherry tomato, cucumber, olive oil, black pepper and bits and pieces. Over here I have some mixed leaf, which I'm gonna just chuck everything together. You can put some sweet corn in it if you like. I did not. I just kind of just leave it simple like this. Alright. And this is fantastic. And this is it. Alright, this is just just add the mixed leaf to it. Come on, lovely, tasteable and nice, fantastic with the olive oil. Got celery, a lot of stuff in it. So I know 100% you guys definitely will love that. Alright, thank you for watching and please stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me. Yeah, your favorite recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo. We always give you the best recipe in this whole entire. Stay tuned.